Welcome to Love Infused Kitchen. On today's episode, I'll be making a fresh fruit tart. So let's get started. All right, to start, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So I've already started that. Now let's work on making the crust for the fruit tart. So we're going to start with 3/4 cup of unsalted butter. We're going to add to it 1/2 cup powdered sugar. We're going to then add 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to blend these ingredients together. With this shortbread crust, the next time I would lay it out on some plastic wrap and try to squeeze it into a ball or patty it out like you would a pie crust and put it in the fridge and let it chill for a little bit. Once it was chilled, I think it would be easier than just to lay it out on some parchment paper and roll it with a rolling pin before you put it in the pan. I'm going to cut the top of the crust off here so it's nice and even. And I did start with a buttered or greased tart pan here. Okay, now I'm going to put the fruit tart crust into the oven, which is set again at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. All right, now let's work on the filling. So we're going to do 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. You could also use cream cheese for this. I thought I would try the mascarpone. Okay. Next, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to blend with the hand mixer. All right, let's blend. And the Fruit Tart shell is out of the oven, so I'm going to let it cool. And while it cools, I'm going to work on assembling the glaze. So let's get that started. All right, our lemon glaze consists of 6 ounces of lemonade concentrate that has been thawed, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of sugar. And then we're going to whisk that up. And we're going to stir this until everything is dissolved. I've pre-washed my fruit, which I have chosen strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and then I'm also going to cut up into smaller pieces a little bit of pineapple chunks. So let's do that. almost forgot the last step, which was to apply the lemon glaze to the fruit. So I'm generously putting that lemon glaze on top of the fruit pieces. The fruit tart is absolutely incredible. I have to have another bite. If you're a fruit fan, this might have been one of my favorite desserts. We're now approaching the end of the video, so thank you to everyone who's watched it all the way through.